Okay, next up, we have our ForgeBox module of the week. So this week, wait a minute, this is a strange looking link. I'll have to check it here. Okay, it's legit. So Jenkins Runner. So this is simple utility for running a Jenkins job from CFML and optionally capturing the output. You can install it via command box, and apparently it only works on Lucy because Adobe's tag and script syntax is dumb and he hates typing it. Oops, shouldn't have really read that out loud. But yeah, you can set it up in your ColdBox module by using the username, password, and your Jenkins API, and you can run your jobs. So basically, you can get instance of the runner, and then you could choose to run a job, passing that in. If you're not using ColdBox, you can still do it. You just have to do the old-fashioned way of, passing the parameters in. You can't do injection and everything else like that. But if you want to run it, Jenkins.run, and give it the link to your job itself, and then basically it can run it, passing in parameters that you need to, and then you'll actually get back some of the results too. You can even stream it out if you want to stream out the stuff to the console or whatever. But yeah, I thought it was a pretty cool little tool. So if you're using Jenkins in the background, and Jenkins is great for storing all the outputs, and even gives you a little pretty weather reports on how all your stuff is running, which I kind of like. I didn't like it in the old days, but I like it now just for some of my scheduled tasks. And so your Cold Fusion stuff can fire it off and see that. And sometimes it's nice to fire them off manually from one of your apps. So this way, if you've got a button somewhere you can click it, it'll still run the Jenkins job. It'll still log it, keep track of everything there, but you can also see it right there inside your app too, using the output from it. So I think that's pretty cool. So that is our ForgeBox module of the week, the Jenkins Runner from Order Solutions. Again, if you're running Adobe, pull request for that functionality, please, because whoever wrote it, probably Luis, or maybe Brad, didn't want to deal with Adobe syntax. So sorry, Adobe. Fix it. That was our ForgeBox module of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.